Alright everyone, this is Chuck from B4. We're going to give you an example here of price action on the ES. We're going to go ahead and draw up some zones here. Just like any other tool, CoPilot will work better in context. Just a disclaimer, this is done in post. And as we draw up these zones, be sure to notice our background colors. B4 automatically detects trend and denotes that for you. Combined with advanced order flow techniques, this is a deadly weapon. CoPilot combines the power of footprint order flow charts with the more pleasing look of a normal candle chart. Our signals allow you to enter when buyers and sellers are in control of the market live as it happens. Now that we got that laid out, we're going to go ahead and arm CoPilot. We are in trend mode. You're seeing version 2 here with a lot of enhancements. It has limited trading time, auto disarm on minimum profit, show P&L on the chart option, show session highs and session lows. Version 3 is going to have confirmed signals, added whale trade detection, added delta volume ratio profile, and a lot of color and style option availability. We're on a 10 range chart here doing high frequency trading. We got filled on that trade, leading to our first win of the day. As with any setup, no trade will work 100% of the time. It's imperative to wait for price to react at the area of potential support or resistance before taking the trade. With version 3, you'll have even a higher rate of success with our confirmed entries. And we're going to go ahead and skip ahead here for the sake of time. And that goes ahead and takes us out for $1,408.68. Let's go ahead and rearm CoPilot. Guys, we really want to thank you for taking the time and watching our videos. We want to encourage you to please like and subscribe, and also watch to the end. It really helps us with our ratings. And don't forget, guys, smash that like button. It really helps us. The cornerstone of order flow trading in futures market is anticipating the price levels where other traders have pending orders set, particularly important market participants with very large orders. Obviously, order flow cannot be traded without establishing a market context and picking levels. Those levels are supply and demand zones. If you have ever sat down and watched the market trade for an extended period of time, you start to see how orders are filled in the market. You also start to see their impact on the market direction. There are aggressive traders and there are passive traders. When you know how to tell the difference between the two, you can understand the direction of the market. Complicated charts cluttered with all kinds of indicators might help you forecast the market, but how is that able to help you when the market changes on you? The truth is that most technical indicators do not reflect changes in the market quickly enough. They lag behind and market just enough to cause problems. The real power of CoPilot is it identifies hidden trade locations that can't be seen using traditional charting techniques. We built CoPilot in order to process the order flow as it happens to help auto-execute the hidden trade opportunities within a bar. There are players in the market who are so big that their actions can determine if a trend starts or stops. These large institutions know the market has moved out of supply and demand balance and act accordingly. The beauty of order flow analysis is their actions can be seen in the analysis of volume. With the upcoming release of CoPilot version 3.0, you will see this with whale orders on your chart live as it happens. Our mission at B4 is to provide traders with powerful proprietary tools, systems, and training that enables and inspires success. Our aim is to help traders realize a superior synthesis of their existing capabilities enhanced with superior technology. B4 CoPilot is not a system nor a claim to fast riches, but rather a professional tool designed for the serious trader. Check out our website at b4signals.com to learn more. We have been developing B4 CoPilot for quite some time, and it represents a synthesis of most everything we've learned in our trading career. The nice thing about order flow and volume at price is that it will allow you to see where the big orders are. CoPilot, with its upcoming confirmed entries, determines whether these orders are being defended or run over, and automatically enters you accordingly. The algorithm has allowed us to initialize the calculations of order flow so you don't have to struggle trying to interpret footprint charts. We plot easy to read objects on the chart to help you time your trades. Traders like to know where liquidity levels are and where traders are trapped, and when strong buying and selling is occurring. After extensive testing and refinement, we are confident you will enjoy what B4 CoPilot has to offer. It's said that in any futures market that you trade, institutional volume makes up about 93.5% of average daily volume. Unlike you, these guys don't place all their hopes and profits on one or two leveraged contracts. It's normal business for them to buy up and sell off millions of positions on a daily basis. However, they can't buy up and sell off their positions in just one big transaction. This would result in them not getting the best price. So they divide their orders into smaller positions so that you cannot see that they're all connected. Over days, weeks, or months, they covertly accumulate and sell off their massive millions and billion-dollar positions. In most order flow analysis solutions, the tools are over-engineered for retail traders, adding features and nuances that give micro advantages that only an institutional trader with 5,000 contracts will be able to exploit. Retail traders with any size account are overwhelmed by this, trying to micromanage the markets for nano fraction gains like an institutional trader. So they lose sight of the big picture of the market and never pull the trigger at the right time. Or more importantly, it exposes all their worst habits, and they start getting stopped out, taking on risk, second-guessing entries and exits, twice as much as they normally would. We simplified order flow analysis and provide clear, simple insights any beginner can learn immediately. The end result is an order flow tool that does one thing supremely well. It gives you an actionable, real-time, read and respond insights at a glance with an option to auto-execute. Worked out very aggressively, took out our first target, working on down, takes out our second target, puts us at $3,592.36, guys. That is a great trade. Guys, be sure to like and subscribe. We appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you for your attention.